Hi there, welcome to part 4 of my game development series. So since last time I've managed to clean up some bad code and also add a few new tricks. So what I have here is some code I don't mind exposing. This is the dialogue ability, and we have some dialogue trees, so it's a simple binary tree. Each node contains the lines that need to be spoken there and 2 pointers to the next 2 branches of the tree. So there'll be times in the dialogue where you have a question with 2 answers that you could choose. And without further ado, let's run the program. I added some simple background music. I'll play a bit of it, but too much would probably get me copy striked. So and that's enough. Alright, I've added some animated particle textures. I thought it would look good, but it completely ruined the aesthetics of this place. But it's good to know that I can now create animated particles. And if we approach this figure here, boom. So that's the boss's behavior component triggering into aggressive mode. If I choose B, proceed with the dialogue tree and you keep moving. And I haven't had time to write a good dialogue yet, so it's kind of bad. I've also managed to get particle effects to follow an actor, not too hard. But yeah, I haven't found a better particle to use here, so it looks pretty trash. And I just noticed there that the particles do not render correctly on top of another particle, so that's a new bug. Anyways, yeah, if we play the dialogue, we'll get to the part when it attacks me, which I've already shown. This time I've managed to unfreeze myself after the attack. It's a simple method where the ability, before the ability like gets deleted, the ability will free its target. It might not be the best strategy. I'm still kind of working on that. Let's go. Dialogue tree, keep going. So yeah, I can move around right now. And then freeze. And I should be able to move right after this done. Which is taking a while. Okay, that was unusually long. Either I've lost my sense of time or I've seen another bug. But that's good. I was able to unfreeze after the ability ended. And yeah, that wraps up part 4.